Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer Troubleshooting. Frequently asked questions: how to reset Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer? To reset your Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer, unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes. Then, plug it back in. This should reset the appliance and declare any error codes. Why is my Kenmore washer not draining? If your Kenmore washer is not draining, it might be due to a clogged drain hose. Check and declare any blockages. Ensure the pump is functioning properly. This should resolve the draining issue. What causes Kenmore dryer not to heat? A Kenmore dryer not heating can be due to a faulty thermal fuse. Check and replace the fuse if necessary. Also, ensure the heating element is working correctly. How to fix a Kenmore washer that won't spin? If your Kenmore washer won't spin, it might be due to an unbalanced load. Redistribute the clothes evenly. Check the drive belt and the motor coupling for damage. Conclusion: troubleshooting your Kenmore Stackable Washer Dryer can be straightforward. Identify common issues early. This keeps your appliance running smoothly. Regular maintenance prevents bigger problems. Use this guide as a resource. Fixing minor issues saves you money. It also extends the life of your washer dryer. Stay proactive with care and the troubleshooting. Your Kenmore appliance will serve you.